Have you ever pondered the question, could artificial intelligence or AI be harmful? Artificial intelligence, often simply referred to as AI, is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From voice-activated personal assistants to sophisticated recommendation algorithms, AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and the world around us. The potential of this advanced tech is nothing short of astounding. It holds the promise of drastically improving efficiency, accuracy, and convenience in countless aspects of society. However, as with any revolutionary advancement, AI is not without its potential drawbacks. The question of AI's harmful effects is becoming increasingly prominent in public discourse. The rapid pace of AI development, coupled with its increasing integration into various aspects of our lives, has sparked a growing concern about its potential negative impacts. Yes, AI brings significant benefits. It's helping us to streamline processes, optimize resources, and even push the boundaries of what we once thought was humanly possible. It's a tool that's transforming industries, from healthcare to transportation, and even entertainment. But on the flip side, there's a darker undercurrent to this story. As AI becomes more advanced, more autonomous, and more ingrained into our daily lives, we're faced with a series of complex ethical and societal issues. Questions about job displacement, privacy concerns, and even the weaponization of AI are beginning to surface. And these concerns are not unfounded. They stem from real-world examples and scenarios, and they demand our attention and thoughtful consideration. So where do we draw the line? How do we balance the potential benefits of AI with the very real risks it poses? And most importantly, how can we ensure that the development and deployment of AI is done in a way that benefits humanity as a whole, rather than causing harm? These are the questions we aim to explore. We're not here to paint a dystopian picture of the future, nor to blindly celebrate the marvels of AI. We're here to engage in a balanced, informed discussion about this transformative technology and its potential impacts, both positive and negative. Join us as we delve deeper into the realm of AI, exploring its darker side. One of the most alarming potential impacts of AI is job displacement. It's a concern that has been stirring in the hearts and minds of workers around the world. Let's delve into this issue with a case study from the manufacturing industry. Over the past few decades, we've seen a significant shift in manufacturing from human-operated assembly lines to automated production floors. AI-powered machines now perform tasks that were once the responsibility of human workers. They can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without the need for breaks, sick leave, or vacation time. Take the automobile industry, for instance. Robots now handle everything from welding car parts to painting finished vehicles. The impact? A significant reduction in the number of human workers required on the production floor. But it's not just manufacturing. Increasingly, AI is finding its way into other sectors too. In customer service, AI chatbots are replacing human operators, able to handle multiple queries simultaneously. In transportation, self-driving vehicles are poised to replace truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel. In healthcare, AI systems are being developed to diagnose diseases, potentially reducing the need for certain medical specialists. The scale of potential job losses is staggering. Some estimates suggest that AI could automate as much as 50% of jobs in the next 2 decades. That's half of all jobs, across all sectors. These job losses have serious social implications. Unemployment could lead to increased poverty and social unrest. Workers may need to retrain for new roles, but what happens if those roles are also automated? If left unchecked, we could see a widening gap between the haves and the have-nots, with AI at the center of this divide. It is clear that AI has the potential to reshape our job market in ways we may not be prepared for. As we continue to embrace AI, we must also consider its impact on our society and take steps to mitigate its potential harmful effects. After all, technology should serve humanity, not the other way around. Another troubling concern lies in the realm of privacy. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's increasingly being used in data collection and surveillance, and this has some serious implications for our privacy rights. Picture this. Every time you browse the internet, use a smartphone, or even walk down a city street, you're generating data. This data, often personal and sensitive, is being collected and analyzed by AI systems. These systems are so sophisticated that they can predict your behavior, understand your preferences, and even recognize your face. This is the world we live in today. But what happens when this personal data is misused? We've seen instances where companies have been careless with our data, allowing it to fall into the wrong hands. This has resulted in identity theft, financial loss, and a significant breach of privacy. And it's not just corporations. Governments are also using AI to surveil their citizens. In some countries, surveillance cameras equipped with AI facial recognition are used to track individuals, raising questions about privacy and civil liberties. But the concern doesn't stop there. With AI, the potential for abuse of our privacy rights is immense. Imagine a future where AI systems know more about us than we do about ourselves. They could know our deepest secrets, our most intimate moments, all without our knowledge or consent. This is a reality that's not too far off, and it's a reality that we need to be prepared for. The ethical implications of this are staggering. How do we balance the benefits of AI with the need to protect our privacy? How do we ensure that our personal data is being used responsibly? These are questions that we need to grapple with as a society. As AI continues to evolve, so too does the potential for privacy infractions. This is a complex issue with no easy solutions. But by having these conversations, by raising awareness, and by holding those in power accountable, we can begin to navigate this brave new world of AI and privacy. Perhaps one of the most terrifying prospects is the weaponization of AI. As we delve into this third case study, we're going to unpack the implications of artificial intelligence in the realm of military applications, particularly autonomous weapons. Let's begin with the basics. Autonomous weapons, often referred to as killer robots, are systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. They're the embodiment of the intersection between AI and warfare, a fusion that is as intriguing as it is alarming. The crux of the concern lies in the potential for AI systems to make life-or-death decisions. When a machine is given the power to decide who lives and who dies, we're stepping into a brave new world where the ethical boundaries are blurred. What if an AI system misidentifies a target? What if it fails to distinguish between a combatant and a civilian? The mere possibility of such errors is enough to send shivers down the spine. Moreover, the weaponization of AI could lead to an escalation in conflicts. Picture this. A country deploys an AI-driven drone swarm. The enemy responds with their own AI-armed defenses. It's a high-stakes game of chess where the pawns are robots and the kings and queens are humans. This isn't science fiction. It's a potential reality that some military strategists are already pondering. And there's more. The rapid pace at which AI technology is advancing could make it accessible to non-state actors like terrorist groups. The prospect of AI in the hands of those intent on causing harm adds another layer of complexity and danger to the equation, but it's not all doom and gloom. Some argue that AI could reduce collateral damage by making warfare more precise. Others believe that regulations can be put in place to ensure the ethical use of AI in military applications. Yet these potential benefits do not erase the risks. They simply underscore the need for an ongoing, nuanced conversation about the role of AI in warfare, a conversation that balances the potential for innovation with the necessity of ethical constraint. The weaponization of AI presents a chilling new frontier in warfare, a frontier that we must navigate with wisdom, caution, and a profound respect for the value of human life. So, where does this leave us in our relationship with AI? We've journeyed through the landscape of artificial intelligence, exploring the potential pitfalls and harmful effects. We've seen how AI can displace jobs, replacing human labor with automated systems in sectors as diverse as manufacturing, transportation, and even creative industries. We have also delved into the pressing privacy concerns where AI systems gather and analyze vast amounts of personal data, often without explicit consent or even our knowledge. Furthermore, we've looked at the potential for weaponization of AI, where autonomous systems could be used in warfare and conflict. This is not just the stuff of science fiction, but a reality we must grapple with as we continue to develop and utilize AI technologies. So, what's next? Well, the future of AI is still largely in our hands. It's clear that we need comprehensive regulation and ethical guidelines to govern the development and use of AI. These guidelines should be designed to protect individuals and societies from the harmful effects we've discussed, while still allowing for innovation and progress. Regulation alone, however, is not enough. We must also foster a culture of responsibility among AI developers and users. This means considering the potential consequences of AI systems before they are deployed, and ensuring that these systems are designed with respect for human rights, privacy, and dignity. But we can't leave it all to the experts. It's important for all of us to stay informed and engaged in discussions about AI. The decisions made today will shape the AI landscape of tomorrow, and we all have a stake in that future. This might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every revolution in human history has presented its own unique challenges and opportunities. As we continue to navigate the AI revolution, it is crucial that we remain vigilant in considering the potential harmful effects alongside the benefits.